Yo, who the fuck are you?
The replacement.
Fuck.
From now, in 1 hour there will be 5 divided. 3 against 2 and 2 against 3.
Yo, this is my fucking city, man. This is my home.
Your home. Home should be an anchor, a port in a storm, a refuge, a happy place in which to dwell, a place where we are loved, where we can love. Mais ici, c'est de la merde. Where is the money?
I'm pretty close on a lead, man. I'm pretty close. What are you doing, man? What the fuck are you doing, man? Fuck! You killed my lead, G!
Now, we start from scratch.
Now I got a fucking dead body in my place.